Good evening. My name is Anish Savlani, your host for this evening. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all for the virtual launch of the H360 mobile app. 15 months ago, we launched the web portal of H360, holding events across several key cities. We would have loved to do the same for the mobile app as well, but considering the circumstances, had to settle for a virtual launch. We sincerely appreciate your participation in unveiling the H360 mobile app. In today's event, we have a few key people from CAMS who have been driving the H360 agenda from the product development side and the marketing side. Mr. Anuj Kumar, President and CEO, will also share his message. The product is where it is because of you, and we are delighted to recognize the champions among you who have taken H360 to its heights. Kicking off the event, I now request Mr. Prabal Nag, Senior Vice President, Business Development, to give a quick recap of H360.
So friends, it gives me great pleasure to be a part of yet another milestone event, which is the launch of the H360 mobile application. So we launched the H360 portal not too long ago in August 2019, and the journey since has been quite spectacular for us. So the genesis of launching either the H360 portal or the app is essentially to serve you, our distributor partners, better. And the acknowledgement of our endeavors can be seen from the healthy adoption of users of H360 and the transaction volumes. So, as I speak, we have over 30,000 users of H360 Pan India, and the transaction are a healthy 175,000 per month and only increasing by the day. What is also very satisfying is the fact that a significant number of users also come from the B30 locations. We are seeing large number of transactions from B30 locations, which is very, very encouraging. So we will continue to add more features as we go along. We have a fairly large distributor servicing team. The distributor support cell has also been further strengthened. And this is all to ensure that you have a satisfying experience with CAMS and its distributor-focused products and services. So we hope you will like this app. We hope it's going to be useful to you all. And we look forward to receiving your feedback on our service offerings. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Prabal. Most of you know Tilak Raj Khanna and his team, who have been instrumental in taking H360 to the nook and corner of this country. I would now request Tilak to please share a few highlights of H360.
Friends, good evening. It was great pleasure connecting with you once again. Recall the days when we all met, when we were meeting length, breadth across the country. We were traveling, meeting each of you, understanding your requirements. You had key requirements, things like data integrity, data security, which you didn't want to share with vendors outside. It should be an end-to-end application, transacting, customer servicing, back office software, brokerage reconciliation, MIS, all bundled into one. That's where we responded. And we said, okay, here we have H360. We launched this somewhere about a year back. And it's a great pleasure. 30,000 all of you connected with us and got registered. Wow, that was a big boost which you gave us. And during pandemic, it was extensively adopted by each of you. It was a booster. And also incorporated that during pandemic, we conducted more than 800 odd kind of a training sessions. 10,000 distributors connected and benefited with the training programs, which was a great takeaway. We could find that the community was so keen to adopt this platform. As we keep adding more and more features, thanks to which your suggestions and which are commonly going to be adopted by each of you, we are more confident that this platform will become one of the most loved, preferred systems by each of you. All in short, I can say, together, you and I will walk length miles to go and make this a success. Thank you so much being with us. Thank you, my friends.
Thank you, Tilak, for those highlights. Now let's hear from a few current users of the H360 portal of what they have to say about their experience.
I'm working in this industry as a IFA, Independent Financial Advisor, since 2013 end. That time we used to submit physical forms, we used to fill up physical form, our lots of engagement into that only.
And we have witnessed a revolutionary change from time and time. CAM's new platform H360 is a big boon for the mutual fund distributor.
We have been using CAM's H360 for quite some time, and I find this very, very good.
It has got all facilities and you can do any transaction very successfully and effectively.
Currently, we are using this platform and we are saving about 60% of our time, efforts and cost in doing mutual fund transactions.
मैं अपने सारे अधिकतर ट्रांजैक्शंस इसी के माध्यम से करता हूँ, जिससे आज मेरी उत्पादकता में वृद्धि हुई है और मेरे समय की बहुत बचत हो रही है।
काफ़ी सारे ट्रांजैक्शन एक साथ करने में भी सुविधाजनक है, पार्टी के एंड से भी और अपने एंड से भी अपन कर सकते हैं।
हालांकि शुरुआत में कुछ टेक्निकल कंसर्न भी थे जिनको अब दूर कर लिया गया है। डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर्स और इन्वेस्टर्स कम्युनिटी के लिए एक बेटर प्लेटफॉर्म प्रदान करने के लिए कैम्स की टीम लगी हुई है और सिस्टम को लगातार अपग्रेड कर रही है, जो आज के समय की डिमांड भी है।
The software provides me purchase, redemption, switch, SIP registration, track my brokerage, SIP stop, SIP pause, SWP, SIP, STP, almost all the functions which one distributor requires.
The check payment facility for additional purchase in CAM's H360 platform is amazing with a lot of enhancement. You can add any bank other than the registered bank of your investor in the folio and make a purchase from any bank you wish or your investor wishes.
Has been extremely useful to us, especially so because we cater to a largely retail clientele and the number of transactions are very high. So that certainly helps.
The ease of using this platform has helped in connecting with multiple customers across different geographies, and I have been able to cater to all of my customers' requirements. COVID had thrown up a big challenge for everyone in our industry, especially for the new MFDs like us. However, it has also made us realize to adapt to the digital world of investing and service.
During a Corona period, from that period onwards, I am continuously using H360, which is really very, very helpful for me to manage my customers' portfolio.
Hope everyone should use it and get benefited out of it.
H360 is one of the best platforms.
It's really a wonderful portal.
I would recommend this.
They have really made a great software.
I'm highly recommending this platform.
I would recommend everyone to start using H360.
My message to all: go digital with CAMS H360 and avail the extra edge in your mutual fund distribution business.
It's now time to recognize our champion users from East and West region of the country. Moving on, I would now request Mr. Anuj Kumar, President and CEO CAMS, to please share his message and launch the mobile app.
Good evening, everyone. I am very pleased to welcome each one of you to this launch ceremony of the Edge 360 mobile app. It almost feels like yesterday that we had gathered together sometime in August of 2019 for the launch ceremony of Edge 360. And I must thank each one of you for the excellent patronage you've given to this product and for the tremendous offtake that it has had amongst the distributor community. My thanks to each one of you for being a great supporter of CAMS and a great supporter of Edge 360. During the recent pandemic phase, we have seen digital means get very accentuated in terms of their adoption, both amongst consumers and amongst intermediaries and distributors. The world of mutual funds is no different to other product categories, and we have seen the same momentum play out here. While mutual fund and RTA branches and also a lot of bank branches were not functional, they were either shut or working partially during the phase April, May, June, July last year. We saw digital adoption pick up significantly. And we scaled our own capability just to make sure that you had a seamless experience, that you could transact at ease, that you were not tied to your desks, and you were able to service your customers with the same enthusiasm and commitment as you had been doing earlier. The Edge 360 team in CAMS is completely focused to make you successful and make your business successful. They've been interacting with you closely, gathering feedback, and making sure that they're deploying the right technology tools, the smartest practices, and the best of innovation in order to create a path-breaking product, which is Edge 360, and in its newest avatar, the Edge 360 mobile app. The Edge 360 team, like I said, has been focusing on bringing on board the best-in-breed technology and the best-in-breed innovation in order to create a product which is best in class and suits all your needs. You're also aware that recently we had set up a dedicated help desk in order to help you register yourselves onto the platform and in order to solve your problems on the fly, just day-to-day problems that you encounter while servicing your customers. Mobile apps, as you're aware, have become the defining feature for success of a business, whether B2C or B2B. And within this arena, we are very pleased to unravel in front of you today the mobile app version of Edge 360. We are absolutely sure that all those of you who've registered for Edge 360 will adopt the mobile app too. And for those of you who've yet not registered, you will certainly make sure that you become patrons of Edge 360 through the mobile app. My best wishes to each one of you for continuing to build your business and doing great things within the mutual funds arena. And I look forward to meeting each one of you in person soon. On this happy note, I now declare the Edge 360 mobile app live. Thank you.
Congratulations to all for a successful launch of the app. I would now request Mr. Saumendu Ganguly, Head Product Development, to take you through his process of developing the app and share a glimpse of the feature set.
Around 1.5 years back, we launched the Edge 360 distributor application, which all of us were very excited about, and the distributor community was also very excited about, because we saw thousands of distributors registering for this website and doing lakhs of transactions through it. But along with all this love and all these transactions came a lot of feedback. And basis this feedback, we built a lot of new features, a lot of great features that you guys started using. But whether all those new features and all of that was optimized for the mobile experience, we were not very sure. And this was the genesis of the distributor mobile app called Edge 360. Now this application, transactions are at the front and center. We wanted to create an application where you will be able to do transactions seamlessly for your entire investor base. So when you log into the distributor app, you will see transactions at the dashboard. You can do all kinds of transactions through it, be it fresh purchase for your new investors or additional purchase for your existing investors, or redemptions or switches or SIPs, all within a few clicks. And not only transactions, you can do a lot of non-financial transactions like renewal of your SIP campaigns, cancellation of SIP campaigns, downloading account statements since inceptions on behalf of your investors and sending it through WhatsApp to your investor. Now, not only are these features is what excites us about this app, but what excites us more is the set of features that are going to come in the next 3 to 6 months. We have slotted and lined up for you features like campaigns, where within a few clicks you can send investment ready links to your investors, which they can click and complete a transaction. We are going to launch features for changing the contact details of your investors. You can do KYC of your investors by filling in or pre-filling all the details of the investor, and the investor just gives an approval and completes the KYC. You can do change of bank on behalf of your investor and many such great features. We also will have support for NEFT RTGS transactions, support for offline transactions where you can get the check from the investor and do the transaction, fill in the details on behalf of your investor and just go and deposit the check, and your transaction will be completed digitally. You do not have to sign and submit any physical applications on behalf of your investors to any of the front offices. So we hope that this app will help you achieve your business goals in a much more efficient way, help you service your investors in a much more efficient way, and with fewer clicks you will be able to do more business, get more revenue and help service your investors in a far efficient and easier way. Now let's hear it from some of the early users of the Edge 360 mobile app on what they felt about using this application and about their experiences of using this application.
CAMS Edge 360 has been a Sanjeevani for us in this tough time. I have been using this application since its pilot stage. I would recommend all my distributor friends to have access to it to grow their business. The brokerage report, SIP cancellation and pause in this app is very good and very helpful.
Hi, I'm Anupriya Bhatt from Aniram, Chennai. I have been using Edge 360 since their initial launch, and I'm very happy to know that they are coming out with a mobile app. Edge 360 is a very user-friendly software which is evolving constantly. All transactions happen at a click of a button, and the follow-ups are very seamless. If you're yet to start online, this is the place to be. Experience Edge 360, experience new you, get digital, the time is now.
अभी कैम्स के द्वारा मोबाइल एप्लीकेशन लॉन्च की गई है. अपकमिंग टाइम्स में म्यूचुअल फंड डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर के लिए ये एप्लीकेशन बहुत ही उपयोगी रहेगी. इसके लिए थैंक यू कैम्स, ऑल टीम मेंबर्स, थैंक यू वेरी मच.
Hello, we are using CAMS Edge 360 app on mobile for last 4 days, and we find the app up to date and very helpful for initiating transactions. We usually have more of STP, SIP transactions on daily basis. The CAMS app is helping us to do the transactions more efficiently and quickly. Thank you.
Hello, very good evening. This is Kadiresa Pandian from Chennai, working for ECS Financial Services India Private Limited. First of all, I, on behalf of my entire team of ECS, congratulate you on launching your CAMS 360 mobile app. Also, I would like to thank you for helping us to transact more smoothly and simply in the digital way through your CAMS 360. The last couple of days we are using your mobile version 2 and have done some transactions and found it equally convenient like your desktop site. We also appreciate the CAMS team for the distributor support on following up of pending transactions and all the assistance extended. With that, we wish you very all the best and also wish you to reach new milestones ahead. Thank you so much.
This is Barkha Singhani from Udaipur, Rajasthan. I'm dealing in distribution of mutual funds for all the companies. I always prefer doing online transactions over physical because it makes the things more easy. And I've been using CAMS Edge web-based application the day they had launched. Now the good news is they have come up with their mobile app. So all the transactions can be done for the clients on your fingertips. Maybe it is purchase, redemption, switch. In fact, I tried all of them. It went really smoothly. I think all the distributors must try this app.
कैम्स ने मुझे अपॉर्चुनिटी दी अपना H360 मोबाइल ऐप यूज करने की। मैंने उसको इस्तेमाल करके देखा, मैंने देखा कि वो बहुत ही ज्यादा यूजफुल है मेरे बिजनेस को ग्रो करने में। अंत में मैं कैम्स को बधाई देना चाहता हूं कि उन्होंने हम डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर कम्युनिटी के लिए इतना अच्छा मोबाइल ऐप लॉन्च करने जा रहे हैं। थैंक यू।
We would now like to recognize our users from North, South and the Gujarat region.
Hello friends, we have come to the close of the event. We thank you for your participation in this joyous milestone, the journey of H360. We will stay deeply engaged with you as we move ahead. Thank you once again. Have a great evening.